Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be starting our multiplication series where we are finding tricks to make multiplication easy. So let's start. Let's see the trick. So this trick is only valid when the unit digits add up to 10. So there are a few conditions for this trick, and I think I will be covering more tricks which won't have these conditions. I think day after tomorrow I will release a video where I will show more tricks such like this. And there is one more condition when the tens places are same. I know this will not likely happen, but I will still be sharing with you so that when it happens, it will be very useful. So the uh, let's take the digits 32 and 38. Let's multiply this. So as you can see, 8 plus 2 will be equal to 10, and 3 is equal to 3. The tens digit is equal. So what you need to do is first multiply the tens place with its next number. So over here is 3. So 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So you have to multiply it by 4 and multiply the unit digits as it is. So you get the answer as 16. Then write the number is equal to 1216 or 1216. Let's see one more example. Take the number as 46 into 44. So as you can see, 4 and 4 are equal, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20. As I said, take the successive number as 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, which is equal to 20. Then 6 into 4, multiply the unit digit places, and therefore the answer will be 2024. You can check with it once. And thank you for watching. Hope you got the trick. This trick cannot be used every time, but when it can be used, it makes the work easy. As in MCQs, there are a lot of problems like this, and also you can use this trick to multiply a number by finding its factors. Like 100, you can use it 50, and other number has 50, so you can multiply like those things. So I just wanted to share the trick. Thank you for watching, and bye.